How to transfer Amazon gift card to bank account.
The very first thing you want to do is to open any of the web browser.
Or you can simply open the application Amazon Pay.
Once you are in here, click on sign in at the top.
Enter your login credentials and then sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this interface. Now what you want to do is click on your account at the top right corner. It will redirect you to this page. In here, you'll find the option where it says gift cards. Click on it. And then simply click on redeem a gift card. In this section, all you want to do is enter the code or the number of your gift card. Once you have entered, click on apply to. Then your gift card will be redeemed successfully. Now in order to transfer this gift card to your bank account, what you want to do is contact your Amazon customer service. Head over to Amazon customer service and then click on payment charges or gift cards. Click on problem with a gift card and then select unable to use gift card. Now click on I need more help. It will land you on this interface. Now you need to request a phone call or chat with Amazon customer representative. You need to state the problem that you have been facing on Amazon. Simply state that you want to transfer a gift card to your bank account. They will analyze your issue and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to transfer Amazon gift card to bank account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. And thank you for watching it till the end.